say I like slime better than I thought I would. Hey, what's up YouTube world? Welcome to our channel, Howie Roll.
We decided that we would do something that Nate and I have never let our children do. Can you guys guess what that is that involves glue?
Slime!
Slime! Nate, Dad and Mom have never done slime at all, so we have no idea. So we're gonna split up, the two of us. We're each gonna take 2 kids and we're gonna see if we can successfully create slime.
So the first team is gonna be Jackson, Mommy, and Lily.
The winning team.
The second team,
It's probably moving.
the real winning team, is gonna be Mason, Daddy,
Nate.
and Natalia. All right, you guys ready for this? Who do you think is gonna win this challenge?
Let us know in the comments below who you think will win.
Before you watch it, comment right now.
Here we go, let's give it a shot.
This is hard.
Hey, don't touch our glue. Don't touch our stuff, guys.
Okay,
First,
so
we need to add glue.
it's a lot of glue. Do you need this much glue?
Just depends on how much you're making.
Then
I need shaving cream.
do we add like the whole thing of shaving cream? How much shaving cream do we add, Jax?
I don't know. Can I do it?
Yeah?
We should each add like 2 squirts.
Okay. Squirt it in.
Okay, that should be good. That should be good. That's good. That's good.
I wasn't doing that.
Is that too much? Okay, mix it up. And then should we add the food coloring after or before the activator?
Probably before.
Okay. Red, orange, blue, or purple? You're gonna pick blue. Yep.
Oh, it's in silk.
It's right there. Okay, mix it up.
Okay, I'll mix it.
Oh, there's glue in it.
Okay. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Let's show everybody. It's almost the same color as our bowl. Jax, how do we know when it's actual slime? Will it just eventually be
See?
slime?
You have to wait until it's like
Can you guys see? Is this,
super.
are we looking successful?
Then you have to start using your hands
Ooh, I'm out when it comes to using hands. That's all.
I'll do it.
to
I'll do
mix
it.
it once it gets like. Okay, put more in.
How are we doing? Is this what your slime looks like at home?
Oh, it's getting.
Okay, put more in.
How's it going over here? I don't know. That's looking
looking
more
pretty.
like,
We
more
should
like
have
tar
had
than it is
them
slime.
go first. Mom, put more in, like a lot more.
Huh. I think we have a pretty good chance of winning this.
Well, now you guys know how to do it.
Oh yeah, we know how not to do it.
So
I mean,
I think we put too much though, glue and stuff. Like there's not enough.
Let's both.
Ah, it's messy. I don't know about this. Dang it. It's like a giant booger.
You're kidding.
uh-oh.
Feels really good. It looks like.
Go.
It wasn't that bad.
Lily has this problem where she just can't help but lick things. Shaving cream.
No.
I have to say I'm a little worried because I don't know what I would do any different.
Well, I honestly didn't think it was gonna be this hard.
Well, next time we need to get borax. It's stronger activator.
So here's a question for the YouTube world. Do you guys use borax or do you use contact solution?
There's other stuff too.
Okay, I think it's safe to say that this is a fail.
It,
Nope.
kind of started to form.
Here's our attempt.
Nope. Nope.
It's kind of started to form.
Let's see if guys have better luck.
They should have gone first.
Introduction. So now it's the guys, and like we said before, I've never made slime in my life. So they did 3 of these. Should we try 1 and then we can add it if we need to?
Yeah, we should probably try.
Let's start with 1. Okay, so we're gonna go with 1 glue, whereas the ladies went with 3 glues. The ladies and Jax, that is. Okay.
I don't know if you had this next.
Hey, guys, you ever seen that YouTube channel called Dude Perfect?
Yeah.
Money! I missed. Mason, it's been a while since Mason went to the gym. You know
It's
what?
not working.
You know what you need to eat more of, Mason? More woman shark. Have you guys ever seen Mason's woman shark video?
So funny.
That's pretty good. I'd say more than that, but I know since I've never done this before.
It looks just actually, I think it's doing pretty good so far.
Yeah, we got a nice melted marshmallowy look right now.
We're gonna rate them. We're gonna rate them.
Okay, what color do we want to do? We have pink, orange, blue, and purple.
Or white.
They already did blue, so I say we do pink.
Yeah, that's what
You know why I
think
say we do pink?
Because it turns into red.
Because who's our favorite YouTube channel?
Johanna Adventure.
Our favorite YouTube channel are these guys right here. And I know that Toa Dad, he really, really, really likes the color pink. So we'll dedicate this episode to our buddy, Jace.
Not really. I like 1.
1,
No, and 1 right there. Another one.
2,
Usually they do it spread out.
3, 1 more,
Yeah. Put it right
4.
Okay.
I think we're gonna win.
Yeah, I think we are. Yeah, this is looking pretty good.
So we don't even have the activator in yet, and it's pretty slimy. Almost like
yeah.
I want to eat it.
I know. I want to eat that so bad. I'm gonna make this every day for breakfast. Contact solutions next.
Okay, put a bunch in there.
Okay, I think that's good.
I think we're gonna win.
We're definitely gonna win.
Oh yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay, now we have to put our hands in. We have to put our hands in now. Oh yeah.
No, because this is still pretty foamy. I think we need more activator. I hope we didn't get excited too soon.
Yeah, this is definitely winning.
Oh!
So high.
Okay, let's do a little more of this.
Ooh, that was good on my hand. I feel like, yeah, this is turning into slime. We need more contact solution. Oh, this is gonna work. This is gonna work. Oh, yes. Yes. Look at this. This is actually we were right with the 1 blue bottle and not that much shaving cream.
Borax? Who needs borax, Lily? Come on now.
She's mad that she's gonna lose. It's actually fluffy, like it's really fluffy.
This is cool stuff. Oh. Oh. Woo!
Yeah!
We are Slimers!
Oh, it's slime. We made slime. Hey, Lily, Jax, Mommy. We probably shouldn't add anything more.
That's pretty much perfect.
Is it?
So,
Mom.
who do you guys think won?
We did, and Mommy's working on the slime. You cheater! You cheater!
I tried to fix mine. There's no fixing it.
I think there is actually.
We should try
I'd have
to
to
fix
dump
it.
like the whole bottle of contact solution in, I think.
No.
Yeah, you can fix that. That by the.
Who's won?
below who you think the winner is. I think it's pretty obvious.
All I do is win, win, win.
Well, we're the winners. Ours won. Look at this.
Gotta see if I can help save my boat.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You fixed it! We fixed it! You just gotta mix it.
What?
Ooh, it's the fluffiest slime ever.
This is like legit.
Make fast. Let's see. Oh my goodness.
Mix it all up and get your hands.
That actually like.
That's like awesome slime. So it's a double win for us.
Well, for us, not the boys and girls.
That's cool.
The dudettes. Should we try making ours a little fluffier since it's super
Yeah, put some more of this in there. And a little more of that.
Whoa!
Trust me, I'm an expert at this.
Okay, now. Do it! I'll play with some fluffy slime. That was
Yeah, you can have some.
That was not. It was just regular butter slime.
That's it. That was our slime challenge. It was mom versus dad with our teammates. Who do you guys think won? Comment down below so we can tally up the winner. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video. And hit that notification bell so you can get more, so you can see more videos like this.
And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel.
There you go.
Thanks for watching.
Howie